On the beach at Nipah, Lombok, with guests from Seven Secrets by Hanging Garden, we had a wonderful discussion about corals and the coastal environment. Not only that, we also did a coral restoration workshop using ceramics media. We really had a fun time with the kids from coral fragmentation, mixing the glue and cement, attaching the corals, and here we go. As you can see, these are the diploid corals, and if you want to join this kind of workshop, please contact us or Seven Secrets by Hanging Garden. See ya!